Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to book hotels using Accor points. As you can see, I'm on the official websites of Accor, and from here I'll click on book now. And when you click on book now, so it will redirect you to all.com. As you can see, it has redirected me to a new website, all.com. And from here what you need to do is simply click on this option, loyalty program. And once you click on here, you will see multiple options and simply click on earn and redeem points on the third number. And when you click on this one, so it will take you to another tab and it will take a few seconds to load. And make sure you're logged in or sign up with your account. And once you reach here, simply scroll down. And as you can see, you want to earn or you want to redeem. So let's say I choose this option called redeem. And once you click on this redeem option, you will see these options: hotel stays, luxury package stays, and private home and villa stays. And also the points are mentioned below them. So let's say I choose this one, hotel stays. I click on this one and it will take you to this tab. So scroll down and from here you will be able to see these options. Either you want to do it online or simply call them. And at this hotel, use your reward points throughout your stay to pay less when checking out. Simply ask at hotel reception for further details. So as you can read the instructions, simply call on your selected country. Let's say I want to choose Portugal or Russia. Let's say choose Russia. So call on this number and ask them for further details. So they will tell you everything about how you can redeem your Accor points for the booking of hotel. So that is a simple process.